Welcome back to the Gratified Gardening Channel, and as you probably can tell with the motion of the leaves, it's a bit got a nice breeze. Actually, it's actually cool here today, not our normal August weather. So much for the global warming theory. I have a sweater on. It's a little bit brisk. It's August, heading into the last holiday of the summertime. What I have here is another one of our Silver Dollar Hydrangeas. Yes, we sold a lot of these because they're beautiful when they get big. But this was a cutting. This was another cutting. And as you can see, the growth has really just taken off. But the reason I'm shooting this is I want to show you once again how we prune them. It's ruthless. I mean, literally. So here, let's just go here. And you can see node, and we're gonna, I can see if I can do it. There we go. And get focused, boom, like that. Let's come over here and let's get focused. And I wanna take this one. It's hard to do, like magic. Boom! And prune. And in another month, you can see now, look, it's getting a haircut. And we do this for all the leaders, even the baby that's down here, okay, we'll prune. I mean, I'm serious. I'm gonna take it and boom. Oh, over here. This one's getting out too far. And we'll take it. Boom! Look at that. Look at that, huh? I got one up here to do yet. Sorry if I'm shaking the camera. I want to make sure you guys see this. There's the node. And away we go. Ready? Boom! And one left over here, a couple. This one I'm going to take a nice 3 or 4 nodes off. And let's get the scissors lined up. Go down right above the node. And ready? You guys say it. Boom! Whoa. And one more leader, 2 more, and we'll be done with this. I'll make it quick. Let's see, let's get the scissors in there. And then see, at the node. Boom! And one more. Down here. Boom. Okay. The pruning is done. Now we're going to do the soil hack again, just so you see. This is something, I take the scissors and I drive it down. You see that? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I'll go all the way around the plant like that. And I'll loosen that soil up. Then I'll add some bone meal, which is calcium, to that, and then I'll water it. And there goes the cat, because I don't want to see you water it. You're usually squirting me with the hose. So that's my stinky cat. Just so you know, you'll see her in future videos. She's doing what cats do. Nothing. So there you have it. Another pruning of a hydrangea. And another driving an I call it soil aeration. And it works. It does the plant well. And you can just see this one's ready for next season. It's ready to grow out for this season. And then since it's herbaceous, drop the leaves and get ready for next year. It'll easily probably double in size. They're majestic in the ground. So if anybody needs a hydrangea at a decent price, just send me a line. I'm here in Canton. I'm not shipping these. Just had to add that at the end. All right, that's enough for this video. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe, hit the like, most of all, hit the like, and leave a comment. Tell me what kind of hydrangeas you got. Send in some pictures, and I'll put them up on the video. So thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye for now.